Mesdames et messieurs, ladies and gentlemen, dame y gospodo. I'm pleased to extend my warmest greetings to all of you gathered for the annual awards ceremony of the Canadian-Croatian Chamber of Commerce. Canada and Croatia share a strong bond as allies and economic partners. This bond is formalized in bilateral agreements, but it thrives because of people like you. Your personal connections to both Croatia and Canada make you key to developing trade between our two countries. Through your investments internationally, as well as here at home, you're creating a legacy of innovation, entrepreneurship, and cooperation. And recognizing outstanding contributions to that legacy is what tonight's awards ceremony is all about. So I'm delighted to congratulate all of this evening's award recipients. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank all of you. As you build strong businesses, you're not only strengthening our economy and your own communities, but Canadian society as a whole. So thank you, and enjoy your evening.